Hello, welcome to Unger. I'm Chem Techer, and today I'm going to show you the new nLITE water-fed telescopic pole system from Unger. The nLITE pole system is exactly tailored to your needs, and I will introduce you to its unique features. I promise, nLITE will revolutionise your everyday work too. Let's go! Now I'll show you the Smart Hose Management System. The hose connection between the telescopic pole, the angle adapter and the brush is made quick and easy. All quick connectors are already in place and no extra adapters are necessary. Due to the inner hose routing, trouble-free working is always guaranteed. If necessary, the hose can run externally along the pole. For this purpose, there are hose clips that are mounted on the pole. You can see how the modification can be done quickly and easily in our life hack video. Of course, you can regulate the water supply directly at the pole. There is a water flow regulator for this purpose. Extend the pole to your working height. Let the hose protrude about 1 meter further from the pole and position the water flow regulator there. You can see how this works in our life hack video. Now you can control the water flow directly at the nLITE pole. Of course, you can use the water flow regulator at any desired place. Just keep in mind that part of the hose will retract when you extend the pole. Therefore, we recommend leaving some extra space here. With the nLITE pole system, nothing stays the same. What are you waiting for? Contact your dealer now or join our demo days and experience the clever features of nLITE yourself. P.S. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see the latest feature and life hack videos on our new nLITE pole system on a regular basis.